So yun nga sir, kumusta yung preparations nyo, especially yung defending champion and all eyes sa team. Ano yung preparations?
Unang-una, hindi ko na maalala na kami pala yung champion last year. So nakalimutan na namin yun. In terms of our preparation, we can say we were able to prepare ng isang buong taon, which we needed kasi nga bago yung team ko this year, bago yung San Beda basketball team this year. 6 lang ang natira from the last year's team. So yun yung challenge sa akin, is to be able to assimilate yung mga new guys, old guys with the new guys, and to be able to play yung system that we are trying to play.
Coach, gano'ng kabigat yung responsibility nila, Jomel, UP this season?
I wouldn't say na naman na gano'ng kabigat yung responsibility nila, but in terms of yung leadership, of course, yun yung mas kailangan ko from them. Yung basketball, being able to lead and to be an example to the new guys, yun yung siguro yung mas ina-expect ko from them. Hindi naman yung sa load ng scoring, rebounding. So kahit mag 2 points lang si UK, pero kung maliit niya yung team the right way, yun lang, okay na. So not putting pressure dun sa old guys or the guys that have been with me last year.
Kung sila Kalimag naman, syempre sila yung expected natin step up in the absence of Jacob and the others.
Malaking bagay na nandyan yung Kalimags, Brian and Penny, especially with Jacob leaving and Peter graduating, yung guards ko, even JV Gallego graduating. So malaking bagay yung presence sila for this coming season. So hopefully we get it together before the season starts, and we play in San Beda basketball just like we did last year. But it's going to be a challenge for us this year.
Coach, starting last year, medyo naging up and down yung to-open the season. Are we expecting the same or tingin niya makakatulong yung championship experience?
Ako, as a coach, of course, expecting the worst. Tingin ko magiging as the game progresses, marami kaming bad experiences. I'm sure may ups and downs kami. And yung challenge lang for us is to how do we, move forward from those ups and downs, as sabi mo nga. And continue to, believe in what our system and play harder lang. So just like last year, hopefully we get better as the game and the NCAA season progresses. And sana pagdadasal ko na we peak at the right time.
Coach, defending champions na, you have your targets on your back. So siguro paano na lang yung mentality ng team heading to the season, lalo na marami kayong mga bagong players na papasok?
Dun sabi mo nga, having our targets at our backs. Ever since lumipit ako sa Meda, or kahit nung wala pa ako dito sa Meda, always had their targets at their backs. So it's not new to us. But again, of course, we did a championship last year. We know how teams would always go hard against us. And it's a privilege for us that teams, respect yung team namin every time we play. So para masuklian lang din namin, of course, kailangan namin maghanda. Just like last year, we prepare in every game kahit sino kalaban namin. And we know in the NCAA na kahit sino pwede katalon din. So we can't take any game for granted. That's just like what happened next year. Yung start ng second round namin, which we think happened, medyo nagpabaya kami. And yun nga, at least as the second round progressed, we got things together just in time.
Coach, participating in multiple off-season tournaments, tas training din in the